Welcome to this adjustment training video for the sanitary napkin packaging machine. In this video, I will introduce how to adjust the production line size of the machine to accommodate different material sizes. Follow the matching and alignment principles during adjustment. All related parts should be adjusted when changing sizes. Since sanitary napkin sizes are relatively fixed, the line width usually does not need adjustment. This video focuses on adjustments for different material heights and bag sizes. First, replace the pusher with the one matching the new size. Then, adjust the pressing cylinder. Keep a 2 to 3 millimeters gap between the pressure plate and the pusher when the cylinder is open. Next, we will adjust the bag feeding section. First, adjust the bag slot width to fit the bag. Then adjust the bag pushing cylinder to match the width. When the bag pushing cylinder is opened, ensure that after the bag is pushed out, it is aligned with the pusher center line. When adjusting the height of the bag opening unit, simply raise the two upper plates of the module. The bag opening cylinder stop position must also be adjusted. When adjusting the stop position, also adjust the cylinder sensor height. Loosen the sensor screw. Move the sensor up or down when the cylinder reaches the stop position. Fix the sensor when the indicator light turns on. Next is the sealing section size adjustment. Adjust the sealing unit, gusset unit, and bag pressing unit. If the sealing line needs to be raised, first lift the upper sealer, then the lower sealer. To lift the upper sealer, loosen the 4 nuts on the transmission rod and turn the rod to adjust the height. The lower sealer is adjusted in the same way and will not be repeated. To adjust the gusset unit, open the lower door and turn the hand wheel to adjust the height. The gusset height should match the sealing line height. To adjust the bag pressing unit, turn the upper hand wheel to adjust the height. After adjustment, ensure the material is firmly pressed when the unit is open to guarantee stable sealing. When adjusting the gusset and sealing units, first align the gusset unit with the pusher. Then align the sealer with the gusset for accurate adjustment. After adjustment, ensure firm material holding for stable sealing. The pusher's servo stroke determines the maximum travel distance of the pusher. Adjust this value to ensure the material reaches the sealing position. You can see the preset mounting holes here. Move the section cups to other preset holes. Adjust the section cup spacing for stable pickup of different bag lengths. For the bag lifting unit, simply adjust the slot position.